Welcome. My name is Krisha, and today we're going to be exploring how to use Hylo to create and sustain mutual support networks in your community. Whether you're responding to a crisis or building resilience for the future, Hylo provides powerful tools to organize mutual support and community care. Mutual support networks are critical for community resilience. While most networks often emerge during crises, the most effective ones are established before disaster strikes. By creating these networks proactively, you're building resilient relationships that withstand challenges, systems for efficient resource sharing, knowledge networks preserve community wisdom, and lastly, the foundation for biracial resilience. The foundation for mutual support is a culture of reciprocity. Here's how you could create this in your group. First, create a curated welcome message for folks when they first join your group. To do so, navigate to your settings and click on the welcome page. Here, you can share a little bit about the group's purpose. Why does this group exist? What needs are we hoping to meet? And convey expectations. We are here to share our offers and requests. Take a look at this example here for the Hylo network. We have a clear purpose. There are expectations of what people can realize within the group, and getting started instructions. Next, set up your group agreements. Group agreements also shape the culture of your group. So reflect with other group stewards, what are the ways that folks are expected to treat one another? What is acceptable behavior and unacceptable behavior? Take a look at the examples within this group. We operate with generosity and reciprocity. We communicate with kindness, patience, and clarity. We participate actively and follow through on our commitments we make to the community. And lastly, we take collective responsibility for the health of our community. These are just examples. We invite you to reflect with others in your group about these agreements. Hylo's post types are perfect for mutual support coordination. Let's run through a few of these. Requests can be used when someone needs support. Offers can be used when someone has an offer, a skill, or a resource that they want to share with the community. Events can be used for in-person gatherings, and resources can be used for community resource directories, emergency protocols, how-to guides, or external support contacts. When creating a post, you can tag the post with topics by using the hashtag, and this will categorize the post. As an example, we could use the topic of food or transportation, and just select the topic that appears in the drop-down. Also, make sure to add a location to your posts. This is especially important for physical offers, requests, or resources so that they appear in the map view. And this makes geographic coordination easier. As a group steward, you can highlight these post types in the group menu. You will see that requests and offers are already here. To add additional views to your menu, click Edit Menu, and then simply click the plus icon on the views that you want to display in the group menu. You can then use the drag handle to drag and drop these views where you want them visible. When customizing your Hylo group, you can create topic-based chat rooms as a powerful way to organize discussions and foster mutual support within your network. To do so, click on Edit Menu, and you'll see a section here for chats. I'm going to create a chat room specifically for transportation. When I go back to my group menu, notice how members can easily find this dedicated space when they need transportation support instead of posting general feed. Consider creating chat rooms for various support categories, and this might depend on your group, but here are some examples: skill sharing, tool lending, childcare coordination, or food distribution. This helps them have curated discussions around these support categories. The most successful mutual support networks bridge online and offline activities. There are a couple ways you can do this. You can host regular circles. These could be in-person or Zoom gatherings that are a dedicated time for people to share more about themselves and their offers and needs. These types of spaces are essential for building trust and relationships in the group, which is the foundation for collaboration and coordination. During these events, you can help members post the offers and requests that they shared within the circle to the Hylo community for those who couldn't attend. As a steward, you should document these outcomes. If a member shared a request and someone within the circle was able to meet that request, post it on Hylo, celebrate that, bring that into the Hylo group. It helps to create further connection with those in the group. About creating a resilient resource directory or a knowledge base for your community. Earlier, we touched upon creating resource posts, and this could be for emergency contacts, a skill directory, equipment inventories, and many other things. We can set up a dedicated space in your group menu so all of this is really easily accessible. What you can do is create a container view and call this the resource directory. Make it available to all members, and then you can organize content in this container so it's really easy to find. I'll pull down resources into the resource directory. Perhaps I'll add some of our group moderators to the directory. We can create a custom view, which includes an external link to a how-to guide for Hylo or other external links that might be essential resources for your group. We can even add a specific post to the directory. So really reflect on what you want your knowledge base to be, and you can customize your group menu to make that information easily accessible. Now let's talk about sustaining engagement in your community. It's essential that you keep your mutual support network active. Share success stories as discussion posts. Recognize contributors regularly. These could be folks that are sharing offers, sharing their requests, and having those needs met. Host skill sharing events. And lastly, send a digest of current offers and needs. This will help maintain the momentum in your group and motivate others to post as well. And remember, ongoing recruitment is essential. If you're already active in your community, continuously invite people to join your Hylo group. What's upstream of having a successful mutual support network is connecting with people who are already doing this work in their communities. Invite them into this asynchronous space where coordination can happen more efficiently. Building mutual support networks takes time and intention. By using Hylo, you're creating both the infrastructure and the culture needed for community resilience. Thank you for the work that you're doing in the world.